my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. I hope you are doing well, and I'm going to stare. Yes, friends, you can see I'm sitting here, friends. Actually, thing is that now I feel I just woke up, friends, because I feel under the weather, and in my eyes. Like I have in my like paining in my eyes. I have pain and itching problem. So that's why I took a siesta for a minute. Sorry, I took a siesta. So, friends, you know, my work and I didn't nothing, friends, and because of there are no electricity and there are no water. So I thought that before my working I should English practice, and this is very good for me. So friends, you can see there, you can see the sky like cloudy. Yeah, it's cloudy, and slightly wind is blowing, and weather is like cool. I feel like very I feel like very I'm on the cloud. So friend, this is very good for me. After some time I will my work. Really, friends, because um friends, you can see my terrace, and friends, I'm sitting here because of my backside house, and in there in here no one can listen to me. That's why I'm sitting here. Because of friends, I because of I don't like everyone listen to me. Because of here is like teenagers, and many girls and boys, and they are speak English very well. So, and I can't, and I thought that when they listen to me, that's why they laughed. So friends, uh, mostly I practice at my in my room, but now you can see, but now I'm in my terrace. So friends, the reason is that because I'm not able to speak English with fluency. And I don't know, sometimes I I have mistakes, pronunciation, grammatical mistakes. So I thought that if they will listen to me, and this time, so they are thinking that, and they will think, oh, because she's younger to me, she because of they are younger than me. So that's why, friends, and you can see my plant, and even now uh, i I have to watering the plant, because this is a summer season going this is a summer season going on, and weather is so hot. Today's weather is very um, today's weather is quite well, and a good weather, and I feel like very happy. So, but in a afternoon time, it's very sunny weather, and a very that time very that was a very hot time, because of this is a summer time, and so I think my father calling me. So hello friends, and I'm back, and sorry for that. That time my father came here, just came here from his work, so he called me. That's why I went there. And now friends, I'm uh, I'm cutting a vegetables and a potato for dinner. And today I'll I'll make a scarlet gourd. You can see scarlet gourd. And I thought that today I make these vegetables with chapatis. And now I'm practicing here, because of no friend, there is no time for English practice. And if when you are free, you can practice you can English practice uh, while no while when you are free. And when you are free, and while doing your work, you can also speak in English, and English practice. So, and you can see here outside. It's like I think windy windy outside. Wind is blowing there. So I think weather is very that time. uh, I saw that time. I think it's look like it's about rain, heavy rain. I can see outside in the sky, uh, very dark sky. there there are very dark sky. And today weather is like rainy. So friend, and after cutting my vegetables, you can see my hair is like waving. And today I think after cutting vegetables, i'm going uh, I'm going for a kneading the dough. And I will make food for my family and for me. Oh, weather is very 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 cool weather, and I feel like happy. I feel like I'm on the cloud. So friends, and I'm going for my work. I know friends. I know friends, I'm not able to speak English perfectly, and not able to communicate with perfection. But still, I'm practicing here, friends, and definitely I will improve myself. And in every day, I'm trying to improve myself. So when I read a book, and watch videos, and even I sing English song. And I think that is a very best way to improve your communication skill and improve your pronunciation. So now friends, bye, and thank you for watching friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please friends, I need your support. Please